Hello everyone, I am here with the new data set is on Netflix. I am using the Netflix data and also using the Python program. First I run these libraries. So as you know very well that Panda, NumPy, Matplotlib and Seaborn. Now I upload the data. These are the Netflix data. There is column, show ID, category, title, director, cast. All these are the columns. Then I want to know the how many row and columns are there. So there is 779 is rows and 11 columns. Now I want to know the information about the Netflix, that it's give the all information about the Netflix data. Then I know there is any duplicate value. So there is two value two values are there, and then I want to know the about about the null values, how much null values are there. So there is the director, cast, country, release date, and rating is five columns which have null values. Now I am using the heat map. It show the null value by using the visualization. So there is you can see the director, cast, country, release date, and rating. Rating is the 7 point, and director are the very high positions. If you see that 2 5 director, then cast. So this is the cast value, second level, and then country is third, and then releasing date, and so on. Now I want to know that the title is Tare Jami Movies is there in Netflix data. So there is no any data in Tare Jami par. It only show the columns. So now I want to create a date. So then how? So you can see that date columns are created there. This is the date column, 7789 rows and 12 columns. And if I see the last when I df dot shape, then you can see that there is the 11 columns. Now I have create one column is the date. So this is the date column. So now I have 12 columns. Now it count the date value and year. So to 2019 में these movies and TV serials are released, and 20 May these and so on. It's count the values, all the TV serials as well as movies by giving the year. Now I want to count the how many countries are there. So there are these countries are there, and these have the values. is a movies and TV serials did all these. Now I am using the bar plot. It show by the releasing years. So 2019, 2020, 2008 the movies are released. So you can see. Now I want to count the category. The how much TV serials and movies are there. So there are movies is 5379 and TV shows are 2410. Now it show the years wise. So it's give the year, date and years also. It show the only 5 because I am using the df.head. So df.head use the only 5 values. So it's give the date and years also. I want to know the 2060. There is any movies is released or not. So 2016. They look you date 2006 2016. There are 5 6 6 7 values. 5 movies are released. Okay. Then I know the movies in India, how the TV serials are released and movies. So this is the in India released titles are there, categories are there. Sarfarosh, Agent Ragav, all these are the TV shows which is really broadcast in India. Okay. Now I want to know the how much directors are there. So these are the directors. Mm, no, I know the comedian movies in India. So these are the comedy movies which is released in India. These are the titles and the director also and date, type, description. All these are there. Now I want to drop the value. So I have created a new variable, new underscore df, and df is my first variable. So if I run this, that it will show the null value. Now there is no any null value. Again I want to know, then Rahul have cast any TV shows or movies. If I run, then there is only one movies which is released by the Rahul. Now I want to know the unique rating of the movies and TV serials. So these are the TV serials as movies are there. Then I know that TV shows, how much TV shows are and their category. So there is very less TV serials are there. Is India is only one. Turkey, Brazil, Japan, all these it count the value of it to show the value. 5. It shows the 5 values. TV shows count value, count kar TV shows value, it shows that these are the TV shows. Then at the last not least, I am using the bar plot, which count the TV show and country wise. So first is the United States, then United Kingdom, Japan, India is there. This is the India. So all these countries are there. Who these values are also there. That how much TV serials and values and movies are released in country wise. Okay, thank you everyone, and bye.